I'll get comments like, my students really loved this. So it's just really nice to hear that you're helping people excel and learn a skill when you are putting resources out there for them. Welcome to my channel. I'm Nikki Lubing, and today I'm going to be talking to you why you should be selling your resources on Teachers Pay Teachers. If you are new here, I help online teachers increase their income by establishing multiple streams of revenue. So I have been selling resources on Teachers Pay Teachers since around 2018. I think my first product I put out there was in 2019, but I was thinking about, I created my store in 2018. It just took me a really long time to figure out how to create my first product. And in the next video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to make your first $100 in a month on Teachers Pay Teachers. And while that may sound really small, I'm all about chipping away, and I have the mindset that slow and steady wins the race. So when you're creating multiple streams of revenue, some of those income streams are going to be a bigger piece of the pie, and some will be a very small percentage. But if you compound things over the years, those things that start out really small can end up being really big, end up making you a lot of money down the road. So let's talk about why you should create resources on Teachers Pay Teachers. So reason number one, if you are a teacher, whether you're a brick and mortar teacher or an online teacher, the simplest answer is because you are killing two birds with one stone. Teachers spend a lot of time creating lessons. So why not make money off of those lessons? You want to put them up on Teachers Pay Teachers so that you can make some money selling them to other teachers and help save them time. Which brings me to number two, which is serving teachers and students around the world. You're making an impact on people around the world when you upload resources to Teachers Pay Teachers, because it is a global website. Anyone can upload resources on there and anybody can buy on there. If you are a Teachers Pay Teachers author or seller, then you do have to make sure you have a PayPal account. That's how you get paid on Teachers Pay Teachers. They send it to you every month on PayPal. And then also, just to add on here too, if you're new to TPT, when you create that account, you want to make sure you upgrade to the premium account so that you get more money when people buy your products. Because if you're not on the premium account, I think it's something like $50 a year. If you're not on the premium account, they take a much bigger cut of your pay when you are on the regular account. So reason number one is because you're killing two birds with one stone. And number two is because you're serving people around the world who will be impacted by your resources, which is really, really rewarding. I've gotten comments on my Teachers Pay Teachers reviews, this really helped my students with learning at home. I gave your resource to parents so that they could practice with their kids at home and learn the alphabet or practice with reading, whatever it may be. Or I'll get comments like, my students really loved this. So it's just really nice to hear that you're helping people excel and learn a skill when you are putting resources out there for them. Okay, and now finally, reason number three you should put your resources on Teachers Pay Teachers is to create passive income for yourself. So when you're creating your lesson plans, and you're putting them on Teachers Pay Teachers, you're going to make money on there just when you're sleeping. So I'll wake up sometimes and I see somebody bought a product, or I'm doing work and I see somebody bought a product. So I am doing other things with my time. I'm still making money from the time when I put that lesson out there on Teachers Pay Teachers, whether it be a year ago, 2 years ago, a month ago, yesterday, whatever it is. I'm making money over and over again from that product, and I'm getting a huge return on my investment. When you think about passive income, think about how you could use that money for your retirement. It is something that leads you to really cultivate an entrepreneurial spirit. When you become an author on Teachers Pay Teachers, you're really getting your feet wet as an entrepreneur. You can start networking with other teachers by going to the conferences, joining Facebook groups. So it opens up a lot of doors to meet other people and to actually build a business. A lot of people who sell on Teachers Pay Teachers, they create their own LLC, which is a limited liability company, or their own business, corporation, whatever they choose to do. And then they will start building off of that business. So it's the beginning. It's like planting the seed for your own business down the road, if that is something you wish to do, which I highly encourage you to do, because entrepreneurship really leads to so much more freedom and flexibility in your life. And that is why I preach creating multiple streams of income, because it really can free you up to do other things in your life and meet so many people and serve your community.
A real quick interruption here before I end this video. I wanted to give you a heads up that I now have a Teacher Toolbox membership, which is just $9.99 a month. And I know some teachers are kind of stressing out over tech, how to deal with technology and teach online, or do something like create a Teachers Pay Teachers store. So if that is what's holding you back, you do want to check out the Teacher Toolbox membership. Again, it's just $9.99 a month. So it's a great opportunity to see the tutorials that I'm going to put in there. Right now, I'm uploading this video in June, and the June membership has a tutorial on Google Slides. So it's a great way to learn and advance as an online teacher or as a teacher, entrepreneur, whatever it may be that your goal is. The Teacher Toolbox membership has a monthly calendar download, the tech tutorials. I also do tutorials on social media and things like that. I take recommendations. So if you have a suggestion for the membership tutorial and you're in the membership, I will definitely take those suggestions too. You can check out the membership at the at kajabi.nikkilubing.com/online-teacher-hub. I'll just put the link in the description since it's kind of long. But go and check it out if tech is something holding you back, because you'll be getting a tech tutorial each month and some other goodies, some other digital downloads as well. It's really hands off and you can cancel it at any time. So that's all I want to say, just to give you that heads up. And now back to the video.
All right, you guys, next week, look forward to the video about how I made my first $100 in a month on Teachers Pay Teachers. Can't wait to see you in that video. Be sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe, because it does really help me. Share it with people who you think would be interested in creating a Teachers Pay Teachers store, or who need a little motivation to put their first product out there, or maybe they just need to revive their store if they kind of let it go. So share it with people to give them that motivation. I would really appreciate it. That helps me out a lot as a small business person myself. So I will see you guys in the next video next week. Take care.